Performance power steering belt. Well, I have the fluid damper, and once I tried to like line it up best as I could with this pulley or whatever, but man, it keeps throwing this belt off. It hasn't done it in the past 2 months or so. I mean, about a month. I'm gonna say about a month. It hasn't done it, but I'm surprised it did not do it when I went to the drag event. But it didn't do it. But I don't want to risk it and then have to stop somewhere and then have to change the freaking belt again. This has gotten so bad to where I have to keep a spare belt in my car. I keep a spare power steering belt in this car. And this is a 4PK 100. So we're gonna put this on, and after that we'll see if it jumps off again. But to put it on is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Came with directions with two different spacers. Spacer number 2 is for the RB26. So I put the spacer on. You need to like tighten it all up before you put the actual assembly onto the power steering pump area. So I'm gonna tighten it and I'm gonna install it. So it literally is just 2 bolts. The 2 bolts that's on the bottom of the power steering pump is down by that piece. I can't really show you, but it's down there. It's 2 bolts. Take those out, put these 2 in, and put the belt on with this right here, and then hopefully that clears that all up. I guess we'll see. All right, we got it on. Gonna start that car up and see how it is. I guess I would suggest, it depends on what pulley you have. I would get the 110 if I could go and get another one, so it can have a little bit of stretch and I can have the pump come up just a little bit more this way. With that being said, the reason why I say that is because my the hose here that's on the bottom, it's kind of close to my AC line, but I have the fire guard on there, so it's kind of touching it a little bit, but the fire guard is like protecting it from any vibration or anything that might try and puncture a hole through it. So we're gonna start it up, see how it is. It's actually gonna be a cold start. Haven't started this today, so cold hot start car. It's warm outside, but see what we got. Hopefully the belt, everything is good. Only one other way to test it out, but we'll do that later on. Shout out to Ross Performance and the guys over there in Australia. Arigatou gozaimasu.